Hey everyone! Did you know that cucumbers are made up of about 95% water? That's right. They're not just crunchy and refreshing, they're actually one of the best foods for hydration. If you're looking to beat the heat or just stay refreshed, cucumbers are a game changer. Alright, let's dive into why cucumbers deserve a spot on your plate. These little green wonders are often overlooked when it comes to health benefits, but they're packed with potential. Today, we're going to explore how cucumbers can boost your health in ways you might not expect. So, grab a cucumber and let's get into it. Now, we all face health challenges, right? Whether it's feeling sluggish due to dehydration or struggling to get enough nutrients, it's a common issue. Many people don't drink enough water, and that can lead to all sorts of problems like fatigue, headaches, and even digestive issues. But guess what? Cucumbers can help tackle these problems head-on. They're a great way to hydrate and provide your body with essential vitamins and minerals without adding too many calories. Plus, they're super easy to incorporate into your meals. Let's talk about the amazing health benefits of cucumbers. First off, they're rich in vitamins like K and C, which are essential for your immune system and bone health. They also contain potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. And did I mention they're low in calories? That makes them a fantastic snack if you're trying to manage your weight. Plus, cucumbers are high in fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. When you munch on cucumbers, you're not just filling your belly, you're fueling your body with goodness. Now, here's the kicker, a recent study found that cucumbers can actually help lower cholesterol levels. That's right. Researchers discovered that including cucumbers in your diet can lead to significant reductions in bad cholesterol. So, if you're keen on improving your heart health, adding cucumbers to your meals could be a smart move. Who knew this humble vegetable could have such a big impact? In summary, cucumbers are not just a crunchy snack, they're a powerhouse of nutrition. From hydrating your body to helping manage weight and even lowering cholesterol, these little guys pack a punch when it comes to health. So, if you haven't already, it's time to start incorporating cucumbers into your diet. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your favorite ways to eat cucumbers? Do you like them in salads, smoothies, or just plain? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome health-related content. See you next time.